Okay, so for my UDL reflections that I will be showcasing, I have a Smore. So this is actually the first UDL reflection type I chose, and it was about engaging students, and I talked about different differentiated instruction strategies. So I listed a couple. I will go through a few, but I actually wanted to showcase a video that I included because I thought it was very cool and unique, and it really tied back to what I was trying to showcase with the different strategies. So we have auditory, visual, tactile, affective, and technology options. So auditory, listening to read alouds, visual, highlighting key points, tactile, touching words on word wall, affective, working in areas of student interest. That's like a major one. Technology options, using a word processing program or using a talking calculator. But I want to show you guys what it actually looks like in a classroom. So hopefully this plays.
Look at all these great volunteers. Go ahead. Yeah. Yes, nice job. So the impact of differentiation, the students feel successful. They feel supported. They know if something is difficult for them, there's something that's a little more in line with their strengths coming up soon. So it really makes education fun and approachable. I really think it's the most effective way that I have seen to teach.
So I believe in this video, it continues and it goes on talking about how they work in stations, and every station is created differently so that it's able to best support the students' different needs. So that way it's creating an inclusive learning environment, and it kind of cuts the barrier of like some difficulties that you may have when trying to get a lesson done in the classroom when you have a bunch of different learning types of students. And then the second reflection I did was a Powtoon, and so I'm going to play a little bit of that and then I'll talk about it. So for the rest of the video, I just kind of went on and went a little bit more in depth into these 4 tips. So first one was translanguaging, allowing children to use their language to make meaning. Second one is implementing social justice, education to promote positive and proactive attitudes. Then I have use technology. It is a diverse resource that can help your students in endless ways. And then the last one was integrate teaching styles that ensure all your students' learning styles are included. This goes kind of back to my Smore. I think it is essential that we are putting the students' needs first, and that we try to find ways in which every student in your class is being heard, and again, tying it back to them. What are they interested in? How can you make that lesson feel like it's something within those interests? So yeah, those were my 2 journals that I wanted to include my UDL reflections.